Hey Speed Addict TV family, good morning and welcome to this episode of Ask a Speed Addict, a Speed Addict TV produced series where we share tips, tricks, and best practices for you to get the most out of your next ride. In today's episode, we're going to be discussing when is the right time to get a new motorcycle helmet. All right, number one, obviously, if you're unlucky enough to get into a motorcycle accident and you hit your head, well, of course, you're gonna need a new motorcycle helmet. But there's also other circumstances where you may or may not need to get a new motorcycle helmet. We've all done it. We've all dropped our motorcycle when we're away from the bike. And just because you drop your motorcycle helmet on the pavement doesn't necessarily mean that you need to get a new motorcycle helmet. You have to remember, these helmets are designed to have weight, your head, inside. So when your head hits the asphalt or the ground or an object, the EPS inside compresses. Obviously, when you drop your helmet, you don't have any weight beside the weight of the helmet inside the helmet. So generally that EPS is gonna be intact. That said, there are situations where the shell can be compromised. Obviously, carbon fiber and composite shells are more susceptible to damage than a polycarbonate helmet shell equipped motorcycle helmet. So you have to keep that in mind. So if you do happen to accidentally drop your helmet, like I said, we've all done it, you want to really inspect the shell and make sure there isn't any crazy gouges or the shell hasn't been compromised. It's worth noting that motorcycle helmet manufacturers offer replacement accessories. So if you damage the vent or the face shield or another component of the motorcycle helmet, generally you can replace those components as long as it's not the shell. So if you're unlucky enough to drop your helmet on accident, we've all done it, inspect the helmet, make sure the shell's not damaged, and more often than not, you are gonna be fine for your next ride. All right, number two, just like everything in life, motorcycle helmets do have an expiration date. Now, a lot of helmet manufacturers will stamp or etch the born on date inside the helmet. Arrive, for instance, neatly laser etches it inside the D-ring so you know when that helmet was born. Now, helmet manufacturers generally say that you should replace your motorcycle helmet every 5 years. But just because the helmet was born on a certain date doesn't mean that that timer automatically starts. The timer really starts when you start wearing that helmet. When you unbox it and you start wearing it. Motorcycle helmets don't wear out when they're sitting inside. They do wear out when they're exposed to your hair, your natural oils from your skin, the sun, bugs, UV. That's when they start wearing out. So it's worth noting that if you get a motorcycle helmet and just because it's been sitting in a box in a warehouse for 2 years doesn't mean that it only has 3 years left. You have another 5 years of typical riding before that helmet needs to be replaced. That said, helmet manufacturers do a really good job of offering accessory internal liners, visors, and other parts. So after a few years, your helmet starts looking a little worn out on the inside. You can also purchase these accessories and refurbish the helmet and make it feel and look like new. It's also worth noting that if you're a motorcycle road racer, typically the sanctioning body will deem that you have to have a motorcycle helmet that was manufactured within a 5-year span. All right, the third reason why you should consider getting a new motorcycle helmet is updated certification. All of you road racers out there probably already know this. The sanctioning body will typically dictate that you have FIM or FIM2 licensed helmet. So you're gonna have to have that helmet if you wanna compete. You also have to have a born on date that's within 5 years generally. It always depends on the race organization, but something to know. On a related note, we're gonna be shooting an inside certification video where we outline all the various certifications and why should you care. So stay tuned for that video coming soon. The fourth and probably our favorite reason why you should consider getting a new motorcycle helmet is updated features and benefits. Every few years, a new motorcycle helmet will come along that really changes the game in terms of technology, and that's what we have with Carlo Systems Venture Off-Road helmet that neatly integrates Bluetooth communication inside the helmet. We've seen it before with Pinlock inserts. Speaking of which, make sure to check out episode 2 of Ask a Speed Addict, where we cover the ins and outs of a Pinlock insert and why you should have it on your next ride. We've also seen it in terms of ventilation and aerodynamics. Shout out Alpine Stars and its super slick SuperTech R10 helmet. It's also worth noting that motorcycle helmet manufacturers are always updating the graphics and colors on their helmets. Shoei and Arai specifically do a great job with their graphics and racer replicas, and the paint work on those helmets is exquisite. So if you want to get a new motorcycle helmet that better matches your new bike, that's always an option. Well, everyone, that's more than a few reasons why you should consider getting a new motorcycle helmet. As always, if you have more questions, make sure to reach out to the SpeedAddicts.com customer service team. We work 7 days a week to answer all your questions and make sure you're riding in a motorcycle helmet that you're really gonna enjoy. As always, sound off in the comment section below. What topic should we cover in the next episode of Ask a Speed Addict? And make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next episode of Ask a Speed Addict.